Thank you for purchasing the Bathmate Bench. We've put together this short video to help you with its assembly and to make sure you get the very most out of your new CareCo product. Your CareCo product should come fully boxed as seen here. Courier delivery is available straight to your doorstep. Carefully cut and remove any tape with a knife or a pair of scissors. Please take care to avoid scratching the product inside. Once opened, lift out and set aside all the individual components of the chair. Packaged with the seat base, you should find a set of printed instructions. Please keep hold of these as they contain useful information on the assembly and maintenance of your seat. To begin assembly, start by removing any packaging from all 4 seat legs. Next, flip the seat board upside down. Then, slot the leg tubes into the designated grooves on the underside of the seat. Use the push-pin button to ensure that the legs are locked securely in place. When all 4 legs have been fitted securely, you can now adjust the seat height. Using the holes on the side for reference, use the push-pins to adjust the seat height. Make sure all the legs are at the same height to avoid the seat from wobbling. Your bath bench is now fully assembled. Please keep hold of the box and any packaging just in case you wish to return the item. For more details about the Bathmate Bench or its assembly, simply visit careco.co.uk, pop into one of our showrooms or give us a call. Thanks for watching. Take care.